Yo, what is up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be installing this DC Sport strut rear trunk bar thingy, and yeah, and then I might also install this rear lip that I got off eBay. We'll see how it goes. Alright, cool. So we're gonna start off by cutting a hole right here. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start cutting like a hole right here. Alright, let's do this. Puncture it. Right there. Oh, that is not a good circle. Alright, so I'm gonna start making the circle nice because this is terrible. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna try at least. This blade is really rusty. I had to bring the big guns out because it's not getting loose by hand. Fuck. Okay, this side is done. Now we just gotta do this side. Okay, finally got all 4 bolts loose. Now we just gotta see if it fits. Hopefully it does. All right, we got it in. I just gotta bolt it down. But look how good that looks. Oh shit, that looks spectacular, immaculate. Let's see if it handles better. We're gonna take it for a rip after. But yeah. So we got it in, nice and stiff. That ain't going nowhere. So now let's take it for a ride. Let's see how it handles. Holy shit. Takes corners like nothing. I'm going like 65 right now.